Hey friends, it's almost time for my July Fun Fold template class. Let's see what I have in store for you. First up, a skinny Z-fold card. I'm featuring the Lace Shop's DSP this month. Be sure to watch. The second card is going to be a floating book fold card. And look at the inside of this card when it's all put together. Wow! Some have asked, what do I get each month for my monthly fee? Let me show you. In your monthly mailers, you're going to get pre-made templates, pre-cut practice kits. Remember, mine come with retired materials, and the video tutorials. You're also going to get printed tutorials, a monthly email with links and PDFs, and everything's going to come US mail. Okay, so if you've already signed up for next month's Fun Folds, your kits are in the mail to you. If you have not signed up, it's not too late. Just contact me and we'll get you started. Remember, subscribe, like, follow, share, and sign up for my newsletter. Don't miss out on anything. Thanks everybody. We'll be stamping again real